Uba Presun Tinsong Menteri Rangba Banrap ke Sarkar Jala ula pentip sikilat pathai khubor ba ke Sarkar Jala kla dep peloing ke review meeting balai kran ba ke jinglong jingman ha ke Jala na kada juga klam COVID-19 kala khambha Bachian ke Jala kan salai na ke jingdon ki bayo pang ye kani ke jingpang.
I'm happy to inform that we improve a lot as far as positive cases is concerned, and we have reduced a lot, and I'm sure within maybe few days again will become zero also. We expect that we will become zero, means free COVID in our state very soon. And number two, we have asked our Chief Secretary to again work out further relaxation of those notification we issued from time to time, be it the transportation, be it the testing, be it any issues relating to the interests of our people in the state. So we have asked, and I'm sure by next week we will sit down again, and then we will accordingly take a call. Where are the area where relaxation is required?
Hagabide bakajing tesi ki pajba ba Preston ulai thu bahau banai no pra jong kasnam arja arpo lale palat sanpho hajar tali ki tes barhau banai kala lingkot la palat lai pesan hajar tali ki tes la deple Hagabide bakajing ai vaccine ba Preston ulai thu ba omshim la dan jing ol ani jing mudui ai nakibla debyo yakani ka vaccine.
We don't have any complaint, any reaction of that vaccine, or nothing of that sort. We don't have anything.